Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos at home using roti. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your favorite protein and fresh toppings. Gently warm each roti in a dry pan over medium heat for about 30 seconds per side until it becomes soft and flexible. This step is crucial for a good taco base. Keep the warmed roti stacked and covered to prevent them from drying out. Next, let's prepare your taco filling. Cook your protein of choice, whether it's seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or even a vegetarian option like black beans. Add about 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning per pound of meat, stirring well to combine. Simmer for a few minutes until the flavors meld and the filling is thoroughly cooked. This savory base is key to a great taco. Now for the fun part, toppings. Prepare a colorful array of fresh ingredients. Think crisp shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, and finely chopped onions. Don't forget creamy additions like sour cream, a dollop of guacamole, or some shredded cheese. For a little kick, add sliced jalapenos or a drizzle of your favorite hot sauce. These elements add texture and a burst of flavor. Finally, it's time to assemble your roti tacos. Lay a warm roti flat, then spoon a generous amount of your delicious filling down the center. Pile on your chosen toppings, ensuring a good mix of textures and flavors. Gently fold the roti in half to create your taco. Serve these homemade roti tacos immediately for the best experience. Enjoy your unique and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.